morning, first graders. So for today, for Foundations, you will be doing skywriting. And if you put your thinking cap on, we've actually done this before. We did this back in September after we reviewed how to write a letter. And we shook out our hands and we wrote each letter in the air. And so today you'll be writing the 5 sight words that I gave you, and you're going to be writing them in the air. And I just wanted to give you a quick review. So what you're going to do is you're going to shake your hands and arms, get them loose. You're going to take 2 fingers. You're going to straighten up your arm, and then you're going to take your other arm and you're going to support it. This way your arm isn't so loose and you can kind of control it a little bit. And so you're going to write in the air the first word. So the first word might be they. So I would do T-H-E-Y, and then underline it, they. And then you would do the next word. Okay, and after you're done with each word, I don't know if your arms might be tired, but feel free to shake them out a little bit and then do the next word. All right, first graders, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.